Hello students. Chapter 9. Desert Animals. Questions and answers. Working with text. Talk to your partner and say whether the following statements are true or false. No animal can survive without water. Answer: true. Second, deserts are endless sand dunes. Answer: false. Third, most snakes are harmless. Answer: true. Fourth, snakes cannot hear but they can feel vibrations through the ground. Answer: true. Fifth, camels store water in their humps. Answer: false. Answer the following questions. First, how do desert animals survive without water? Answer: desert animals cannot survive without water. They find different ways of coping with the harsh desert conditions. For example, gerbils spend the hottest part of the day in cool underground burrows, and darkling beetles catch moisture on their legs and then lift them into the air till the drops trickle down into their mouths. Second, how do mongooses kill snakes? Answer: mongooses kill snakes without getting hurt themselves. Their reactions are so fast that they dodge each time the snake strikes. They continually make a nuisance of themselves, and after a while, when the snake gets tired, they quickly dive in for the kill. Third, how does the hump of the camels help them to survive when there is no water? Answer: the humps of the camels help the animal to survive in the desert by acting as storage containers. The hump is full of fat that nourishes the camel when food is scarce. If they have nothing to eat for several days, their humps shrink as the fat is used up. Read the words or phrases in the box. With your partner, find their meaning in the dictionary. Harsh conditions, harmless survive, intruder threatened, predators prey continually. Fill in the blanks in the following passage with the above words or phrases. All animals in the forests and deserts struggle to survive in harsh conditions. Though most of the animals are harmless, some are dangerous when threatened. If an intruder is noticed, they attack or bite to save themselves. They struggle continually for food and water. Some animals are called predators because they prey on other animals. Thinking about languages. Look at these sentences. Most snakes are quite harmless, but a few are poisonous. Most snakes lay eggs, but the rattlesnake gives birth to its young. Now write 5 sentences like these using most and the clues below. First, 90% of people are honest. 10% are dishonest. Answer: most people are honest, but about 10% are dishonest. Second, lots of. Fruits have plenty of sugar. Some citrus fruit are low in sugar. Answer: most fruits have plenty of sugar, but some citrus fruits have less sugar. Third, every soft drink except this one has lots of empty calories. Answer: most soft drinks have lots of empty calories, but this one does not have empty calorie. Fourth, the majority of films are romances. A few are on other topics. Answer: most films are romances, but a few are on other topics. Fifth, a majority of people agree that he is a good leader. Just a few disagree. Answer: most people agree that he is a good leader, but a few disagree. Look at these sentences. Animals cannot survive for long without water. So, desert animals have to find different ways of coping. The first sentence says what cannot happen or be done. The second tells us what must, therefore, be done. What is it necessary to do? Complete these sentences using cannot and have to or has to. You cannot reach the island by land or air. You have to go by boat. Answer: cannot, have to. Second answer: we cannot see bacteria with our eyes. We have to look at them through a microscope. Answer: cannot, have to. Third, he cannot have a new bicycle now. He has to wait till next year. Answer: cannot, has to. 4. Old people often cannot hear very well. They have to use a hearing aid. Answer: cannot, have to. 5. Road users cannot do what they wish. They have to follow the traffic rules. Answer: cannot, have to. 6. She cannot accept this decision. She has to question it. Answer: cannot, has to. 7. You cannot believe everything you hear. You have to use your own judgment. Answer: cannot, have to.